Right on, right on. Ten packets. Pokemon 151. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, what? 1, 2. Yeah, 5. Yeah, 10 packets. Alright. I don't know. I still don't know if I want to do a mega pack or just do it normal. What do you guys reckon? 151. Getting harder to get these bad boys. Getting harder. There was a time there they were easy to get. They were nothing. I'm doing mega pack. I'm doing mega pack again. Just come to. I was gonna do normal. But I said fuck it. I'm doing mega pack. Doing mega pack. It's on. I was literally about to do a normal pack opening, and then I thought, nah, fuck it. Doing mega pack. We're getting it. Doing a 10 pack mega pack. Alright. Alright. Ooh, we'll take that. We'll take that. Yeah, I mean, these packs, man, $10 a pack, right? 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, you know, easily get them. Now, it's getting harder to get them. Don't ask me why. People buying them up. I mean, you still get product, but it's like, just let me buy fucking 40 packs singly for $400, you know? Otherwise, I'm gonna buy, what, 10 boxes of whatever? 10 boxes of the Kadabras or whatever. It's like, dude, I don't want to fucking go through all that. I don't want to go through all that, man. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. You gotta break down fucking 10 boxes. Plus, you know, shipping. They'll get you like $20 shipping if you get 10 boxes, man. Oh, what the hell? I'm losing my mind. Alright, 2 packs left. But yeah, like you can still get ETBs. But ETBs aren't $90. They're like $99. You know. So that's another thing. So you can still get cards. You can still get them around the $10, but you can't get them singly anymore. Can't just buy packs. There was this one guy selling 36 packs at $300, which is fucking very good. Look, the best I've seen other than that was like 36 packs for $350. These cost me, and that was like 2 weeks ago. I bought these a week ago, and they were $10 each. Like Black Friday had like no sales. Which is shit. Anyway. This is getting filmed in December, by the way. Like early December. Won't be on YouTube till January, though. Alright. Let's get it. Let's go. Alright. Tentacool. Nice. Psyduck. $10 card, but we'll take him. Dragonite, nice. Magneton, nice. Erica, we'll take her. Erica's invitation. Invitation to my heart. Holy fuck. That is a nice card. Now, is that the... That's the good one, eh? That is like the $50, $60 one. It's like up there with the Charizard and the Zapdos. Very cool. Blastoise EX, we'll take that too. Not bad, not bad. Muck. Jigglypuff. Bill's transfer, I mean, we'll take it. We don't have it. It's a full art. Fucking, why not? Thank you very much. Metapod, Machamp. Dugong, Rapid. Okay, I see you. Charizard EX, brother. Don't have that either. And we'll take him. We like him. Yep. Okay. Another card that I want to buy singly, but because I decided, nah, I'm not going to buy any singles from 151. I'm only pulling them. This I want to buy up a heap of. I want to buy like 10 of these cunts when it came out, because I think this will be a $100 card in like 2 years time. Just great. Pikachu, and then front and center, then you get all these little Pokemon running around. That's a nice card. We like that. Nidoking. Arcanine. Metapod. Raichu. Muck. Cypher should have had a mad card, to be honest. Cypher should have get some love. Golem EX, rip that up, put it in the trash. Golem, a Golduck, Golem, and Chance. Well, boys, you can't be angry at that. You got your Golems. Pick up the Psyduck. Look, you got your Psyduck. Oh, fucking hell. Dropping everything. Alright, let's just reset. Alright, so you got your fucking Blastoise and Charizard EX, right? Can't go wrong with these two bad boys. They're decent cards. Got your Psyduck, you got your Pikachu. Decent cards. Got your Bill, then you got your bad bitch, Erica. Invitation. That's what you want, brother. Alright, boys. That's it. That's the end of 151 for now. Look, like I said, if I pick up some more cards here and there, I'll do them. I'll open them. Because like I said, I'm not buying any, these other, like Paradox Rift. I've got some Grodoons. I bought 4 Grodoons or 3 Grodoons, whatever I could buy. I was going to buy 4 more on Black Friday. But they got sold out. So, other sets I'll buy, singles, that I like. I think are underpriced. Set 151 though, I did a little challenge for myself. Only collecting what I pull, or invest in, or whatever you want to call it. Who knows these days. But, 151, dude. Still going hard. I don't know, price, not getting any cheap shit anywhere. Everything was cheap the week it released. Getting, cases for $850. $830 Australian, even. Now, you can't get any cases. All the single packs are drying up. ETBs is $100 now, 110. No cheap ETBs. The only time you can get like a decent cards, I mean, you can buy 4-pack gift boxes and shit, but I don't know, dude. It's a strange place. I think it's only going to get drier and drier out here for 151. Until maybe they do another reprint, but they say they do reprints and they don't do much. Like, they do reprints, 3 or 4 times on Crown Zenith. Price is still high for it. I've got 2 cases of ETBs. I've got a couple of figure boxes. Nothing's coming down super fast. Nothing's coming down. Everything's just going up. Right on, boys. See yous around. Catch yous in the next one. Let it get it. Let go.